You must be feeling hype and FOMO trying to get those 10, 20x stocks like Nvidia, SMCI, and ARM. But all I want to be honest with you, if you go in just now, you're a bit too late. Those guys who made this 20, 20x, when you go in, the most you're going to make is 40, 50%. And what are you going to do next? Is it the top? Is it the bottom? You don't even know. So there's two things that I've learned over the years on how to find these great stocks. One is to be patient. You got to be patient to find this because it takes experience to learn. Even if you found those 10x in the early days, you don't even know what to do. You might most likely sell them before it goes 100x. And second, you need to live long and healthy. The longer and healthy you live, the more chance you're going to find them because it comes up between 1 to 7 years, this 10 and 100x. And to find them, you know how to keep them longer. So stay invested, be patient, live long, and all the best to finding your next golden nugget.
Markets on a sell-off because they're spooked by the macro, which have been.
I'm sure you're thinking one thing, Alex, you did not give me a single scoop in your last video. Hey, like I told you, you have to live long and be patient, okay? The information will flow through. Let me show you my views on how I found it. Okay, first is you need to find a stock that's got a 25% growth from the last few years and also going forward for at least 5 years, 25%. And secondly, you need to find stocks with the EPS that's been on the cash burn, on the net loss, and suddenly they turn up into profits. Look at the likes of Palantir. You see some nice curve up. Look at the likes of Uber, nice curve up. But you have to invest before they start to turn the profit. And look at this one here, Lemonade. They've been going slow, been losing money. So if you hold those Lemonade, you're just holding lemons for somebody else. Look, Duolingo is one of them starting to turn profit, but it's a bit overhyped just now. So be patient on your entry. So this is my key tip, is to wait for the turnaround and also 25% growth as a starter for 10.
Markets on a sell-off because they're spooked by the macro, which have been